What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. B-Main here, aka Marco, back with another segment that we're going to be trying out for the channel, and it's mail. Lots of mail. Check it out. Got some things coming in over the next few weeks as we get ready for the 2026 outdoor season. Right now, I'm in Poconos, Pennsylvania. Snowed in. We got about 9 inches on the ground so far. Expecting upwards of almost 2 feet. So, yeah, just trying to keep myself busy here. So let's get into it. First package I got was from JTPRC. Shout out to Jared Tebow Products. Run a lot of the VRP stuff through them. This is designed specifically for Technos. So we already are running 20 hole VRP JTB pistons in both buggy and truggy. So picked up some 5 hole for both nitro buggy and nitro truggy. This is more for like when the track gets a little bit more bumpy, blown out. I'm going to test these and the 20 holes. I'm going to make a few changes to the 20 hole setups that I have currently right now. I'm going to play around with some of the flaps and on the pistons themselves. I'm speaking to a good buddy of mine, Sean. We think that it might be too much rebound in the rear, pressing down, causing a little bit of a oversteer situation in the rear of the vehicle and truck. Just need to plant that rear end just a little bit more to feel a little more comfortable with it. So looking forward to getting out. Whatever that is. Who knows how long it's going to be before the snow melts. And they're talking about another storm next week. Where did I move us to, y'all? I don't know. Next one, Beach RC. Shout out Brent and the crew over there. Love you guys. Super fast shipping. Supporters of the program for a while. Thank you so much. I don't even remember what the heck I got. So might be some back ordered stuff that I'm waiting on. I'm not really sure. Like seriously, like love that stuff. Come on. Only Beach RC. Alright. So yes, so some back ordered items looks like another Z13 clutch bell for the clutch, Pro Pack clutch. When I initially ordered everything, they were out of these. I was only able to get one. So I got another one once they came back in stock. And I always stack up on my Ultimate Racing fuel tubing. You'd be surprised how often. This is the problem right here on the tune. This is cheap insurance, guys. If you're chasing a weird tune, try this first. Make sure it's from Ultimate and Beach RC, right? Next one. The restock of some pliers. I swear by this stuff. Loctite super glue. Why? Tires. I have yet to have a tire come undone with this stuff right here, so definitely want to check that out. Make sure your prep is also as strong as this as well. Pretty much I just scuffed the rim with the, I have a Racecraft Mingo scuffer. Shout out to Racecraft. Scrub it, wipe it down, wipe down the inner beads of the tires real well with simple green until all that brownish black stuff comes off. Let it dry, and then I take some rubber and alcohol, kind of like a final, rub it around that inner bead and let it dry, and then glue that using that glue. So this one is from in-laws. We did recently move and kind of been in nail limbo with you know, not setting up our mail forwarding and all that stuff. So it kind of got delayed and had to track it down with it now, but it's here, and I've been waiting for this, so it's pretty cool. From what she was telling me, so let's check it out, and I'll try to. So it is a hoodie, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but it says, "I don't need therapy, just more RC cars." Yes, absolutely, and runtime. I should have moved to Florida though. It's a little bit too cold up here, and I grew up here for a few years too. So, shout out to Eileen, my mother-in-law. Thank you. Definitely gonna be rocking that. And there's like a shirt here too. I didn't miss anything about a shirt. Yeah, that's me. Alright. And it's the matching shirt, so. I don't need therapy, just more RC cars. So, thank you again, Eileen. Appreciate it. Not sure if she watches this, but you know, gotta shout out the mother-in-law. And then, for my man Jared Cully, my engine guy, thank you for Kevin for putting me on him. Super down-to-earth guy, super cool. Takes care of a lot of engines. Trusted. Quick turnaround time as well. Not like I needed it. I wasn't racing anywhere. You know. So, in case you need it. Quick turnaround time. We got our ultimate back. We did get a slight pinch, so it's a fresh pinch, and replace the bearings. So, yeah, so these are the old bearings from the engine. I did ask him to replace them, even if they were still good. Little insurance, you know, always soothes the mind. Ah, sweet. I'm gonna rep those. Thank you, Jared. Appreciate it. And here she is. Back from the factory. So, fucking Jared. But V1 Ultimate Racing. It's got that Pro Pack compact clutch on there. And, yeah. She's ready to go for next season. Probably gonna put this maybe in truck, and I have a V2 waiting to go into buggy. Let me know what you think. Should I put the V1 in truck or the V1 in buggy? I know the V2 has pretty much similar specs to the Dakota Fan engine, which gets insane amount of mileage. That's if you know how to tune it. It's going to be one of my goals. 10-minute runs. I have to do that. I might have to cheat a little bit. I might have to run in the truck for the bigger tank. Because my tuning is apparently not that great as of late. So, yep. That's the mail haul for this time around. Going to be ramping up some more packages soon here. Got to order some more raw speed tires for the season. Need some little odds and ends here and there. Also going to be putting in an order for a case or two of Nitrolux Racing Fuel 30%. Power level 3. So yeah. So definitely be sure to check out Beach RC for quick, fast shipping. You can also get your Ultimate engines from there as well. Jared Coley for if you need a race pinch on your motor or bearings or anything like that, he's the man to check out. JTPRC for your VRP and engine mounts and all that good stuff. And other than that, I'm going to try to survive this snowstorm. And I'll see you on the next one.